Love seafood pasta, but tired of shrimp? Let's switch things up with two fish-based pastas you can make in under 30 minutes. One's rich and creamy with salmon and lemon. The other's bold and zesty with cod and tomato. Let's start with the salmon one. Boil some salted water and drop in your favorite pasta. In a pan, heat olive oil. Add 1 garlic clove, peperoncino, and a few anchovy fillets. Once it smells amazing, add chopped onion and a pinch of salt. Cook for 5 minutes. Now add halved cherry tomatoes and cook until they soften about 5 minutes. Add diced salmon. Just 1 minute is enough. It cooks fast. Bring in the al dente pasta straight from the pot. Add a ladle of pasta water, remove the garlic and chili, and toss everything together. Finish with fresh lemon zest. Creamy, savory, and full of bright flavor. Pasta alla puttanesca is one of the boldest pasta dishes in Italy. It was born in Naples, made with pantry staples anchovies, garlic, chili, capers, and olives. Traditionally, it's made without fish, but in modern versions, some Italians add white fish like cod. And that's what we're making today with cherry tomatoes for sweetness and color. In a pan, heat some olive oil. Add a whole garlic clove, a dried chili, parsley stems, and anchovy fillets. Let them sizzle gently to infuse the oil. Halve some cherry tomatoes and add them in with a pinch of salt. Let them cook for about 10 minutes until they break down. Remove the garlic, chili, and stems. Add olives and capers. This is where the magic happens. Meanwhile, cook your spaghetti in salted water. Cut cod into bite-sized cubes and add it to the pan. Cook for just a minute until opaque and tender. Add your pasta with some cooking water and toss everything together. Finish with chopped parsley and a little lemon zest for brightness. It's a lighter, fresher take on a true Italian classic. Perfect for seafood lovers. So creamy salmon or bold puttanesca, which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, save, and share for more pasta ideas.